Hey everyone, I just wanted to have a quick chat before the vlog started. Just saying hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Bailey and I'm going to be daily vlogging. I'm very new to this, but I'm also very excited, so I'm hoping everything will work out. This vlog is a little short and maybe I'm not talking too much in it just because I'm trying to get used to everything, but I am really excited. I want to do this for a very long time, and my life's not all that exciting, but maybe vlogging will make it exciting. You know, I might clean my room so I can vlog there, and I might actually want to go do things just because I want to take you guys along with me. And I'm very, very excited. So here's to day one, and I hope there's many more. Enjoy the vlog. What? What is that? You are holding a jellyfish? Come closer. Oh yeah, nope, that's a jellyfish. Ew, why does it look so gross? Put it back in the water, maybe it's alive.
It is, I just picked it up out of the water.
Oh, yeah, you're probably killing it. There you go, jelly.
You can see all of its tentacles.
Oh yeah.
Bye!
Oh god. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bailey and Carly. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Oh, let me blow the candle out for now. Well, I'm about to go to bed, and before I take all my makeup off and stuff, I thought you should meet another important person in my life. This is my sister's dog, Julep. Say, who's that, Nips? Who is that? She's my very sweet girl. Yes, she is. She's my very sweet girl. She's very small. I don't know if you guys, like, this is... this is a laptop case compared to her. She's very little girl. You very small. Are you very small? Alright guys, well I am all ready for bed. I have my makeup off, my teeth brushed. And yeah, I'm going to bed at 10:30 because I have class and I have to be up at 7:30 in the morning. But I hope you like the first vlog. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow with the number 2. You wanna be in the vlog? Oh my god. Come here. Okay. He didn't want to be in the